Welcome to the Swytch Power Pack video guide. When your kit arrives, you will need to carry out an initial setup of the power pack. First of all, power up the battery by pressing to the right of the charging port until you hear a click. Alternatively, use the provided blade cleaner to flip the battery switch through the charging port, as shown. This step only needs to be done once. To charge the power pack, plug the provided charger into the charging port. The charging brick light should turn red, indicating the power pack is charging. Once fully charged, the light will turn green and the charger can be disconnected from the power pack. Press and hold the middle button to turn on the power pack. Do the same to turn the power pack off. To change the power level, simply press the up and down arrows. If you have a Pro power pack, hold down the up arrow to turn the front light on. To access the power pack settings, press and hold the up and down arrows simultaneously. Press the middle button to cycle through the settings, using the up and down arrows to select your desired option for each. To exit the settings menu, simply hold down the middle button. For a detailed overview of the settings menu, please refer to the Power Pack Quick Start Guide provided with your kit and linked in the description below. To carry out a factory reset of the Power Pack, open the settings and select the factory reset option at the top of the menu. Press the up arrow once and short press the middle button to initiate the factory reset. Finally, press and hold the middle button to exit the settings menu. For more support, visit swytchpack.com/instructions.